What's up, guys? I'm Aaron with Twins Garage. This week we have a lot planned. I've been working on the Subaru, getting the dash harness out for my WRX swap, but I've been filming the whole process along the way and posting up on the Slipping Clutch YouTube page. So I'm gonna link that in the description below so you guys can check that out. I am gonna show you what's been going on within this video, but the actual process of me doing the harness and all that is going to be uploaded on the Slipping Clutch page. So I'll take you over there right now. Here we go, we got the dash out. Getting the dash out was the easy job. The rest is the hard stuff. Ooh, it's a mess in here. But I got the whole dash ripped out of the engine bay from the hull. So that's all right here, and I just got to get the heater core and all that out, and then finish disconnecting the harness from over there, and then I can start putting the WRX harness in, which I have a lot of work left to do. But I'm gonna get that EJ205 from Japan here within the next couple weeks, and gotta change out the engine cradle yet, but gonna drop that in here, and then I'm gonna rebuild my transmission because I believe the front driver's side diff is going bad, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll probably end up just rebuilding it all. I already have the WRX radiator, so I don't have to worry about that. So I'm gonna start the process of pulling the engine as soon as I get the harness done and removed. I probably will start pulling before I put the new harness in, just because I don't have it yet. I'm hopefully getting it this weekend, and I'm hopefully going to have the harness out by Friday night. So then I'll probably jump to the engine and start pulling that out. Once that's out, I'm going to get the subframe and the cradle out. The subframe doesn't need to be removed for the swap, but I have a new one to put on there since this one's rough shape. So this weekend I'm going to get the new harness and the new cradle, so hopefully everything will be put in by the end of next week that's needed for this swap, and then all I need to do is wait for the new engine and the ECU to come in. I have a little stockpile of extra parts that I've gotten, which is for sale. It's got a little damage on that, but those are pretty good shape. I have stock WRX gauges back there, these STI gauges, and then the version 8 STI gauges. But the version 8 go into my Subaru, so those are not for sale. The other two are for sale. Still got some more body work to do, but I mean, I just have parts after parts laying everywhere right now. A little stressed out, you know, worried about getting everything back in and looking nice, but I think I'll be able to do it. But I know the quick tip I want to talk to you guys about is the harness that goes up for the end of the clock, and the hazard button and the gauges. A lot of people try to pull that all the way through, but you can just disconnect these two harnesses, and that actually goes up there. Just disconnect these two harnesses or clips from the main harness and pull the dash right out. You don't have to worry about removing this whole harness from there. It's much easier. You can leave all the plugs right on in there. So I'm taking a little bit of a break on the Subaru. I haven't worked on it today. I did all the work to it within the last couple days. Gonna probably take care of the tree here in a few minutes, and then clean up a little bit. It's been messy because I haven't really had time to clean. I've just been working on the car. So I'm gonna clean up the garage and then probably head to bed, and I probably won't have time to do much tomorrow. I want to try to get the heater core out tomorrow, and maybe even the rest of the harness, but more than likely that will be Friday. This Saturday, we're going to start working on the downpipe on the Evo. We're going to be filming that whole process, which will be on the Slipping Clutch page as well. So I'll link that video. It's just going to be a real pain. You know, you got to remove this, and you got to get down in there, and it's easier coming in from here, but it's still going to be a lot of work. I watched quite a few videos on it, and it doesn't look easy. So I'm going to end the video for now, and then I'll pick right back up for you a few seconds. For me, it's gonna be a few days, so I'm gonna see you in a second. What's up, guys? It is Friday. I have a 4-day weekend for Christmas. Anyways, I've been home for a couple hours now, cleaning the garage up, getting ready to go over to my buddy's to help him finish building an apartment inside of his airplane hangar. So I'll show you guys that. But I'm gonna show you my stockpile of parts. I moved the dash over here to kind of get it out of the way so it didn't get damaged. And the WRX trunk wing there. I've got all my gauges, the stock WRX ones, STI, and those are STI version 8. And then I have the back seat full of all the STI interior. Which last thing I gotta do is get rid of the heater core box, but everything's disconnected, all the nuts, bolts out. The only thing I gotta do is disconnect the lines from inside the bay. So I'm being lazy about that. I don't really want to make a mess and have to clean it up. And then I gotta work on unbolting and unconnecting all of the harnesses over on this side. I haven't really looked up any information on how to do this swap yet, but I'm sure we got some harnesses coming through here. I really hope not, but yeah, I already see some going into here. So unless that goes to the wiper motor, which it looks like it's going right into here, so it might be going to the wiper motor, but we'll see. Maybe I should look up some information online about this swap and to see where the harnesses go, if there's anything coming into the engine bay on the driver's side. Still haven't done much more with the bodywork. It's been cleaning. Got a box full of B16 parts for a Honda engine. Got the D16. I threw it online trying to get somebody to buy it, but hasn't got too many hits yet. And I'm gonna probably throw the B16 all together and try to sell that here soon. So I'm gonna head outside right now to check the oil on the Jeep, because it, of course, burns oil because it's a piece of crap Jeep. And then we're gonna head over to my buddy Andrew's house and check out the airplane hangar and help him finish his garage. He's putting in a wood stove so he can stay warm when he's living in there all winter. So I'll be back in a second. So we up out of here, heading over to Andrew's. I'm gonna help him work on that apartment a little bit and then head back and probably work on my Subaru some. So I'll see you guys in a few. So we're inside the apartment that we're building inside of an airplane hangar for Andrew to live in. Right out there is the airplane hangar. The lights are off, so it's hard to see. And he's got a lot of stuff out there we gotta clean. We're putting a wall and a door here. That's gonna be the bedroom back in there. And this heater's coming out and we're putting a wood stove. The bathroom's in there. And we gotta insulate that wall still, but this is the living room. We gotta get some more insulation yet. A little messy right now, but we'll clean it up. In it? Yeah. Magnetic. What's up, guys? As you saw from the footage a moment ago, the Civic is gone. I sold it all. B16 swap, the D16, everything. Still have some parts laying here, and I still have the D16 over there. He's coming back Monday to grab that, but he gave me the money already and took the car, so no worries there. Late today, got quite a bit done. Andrew and I went to the junkyard again. He got the other rear door off the same car I got the trunk off of, and his last rear door. And We grabbed a few little odds and ends off the car. Then we went to a buddy's house who's got tons of super parts. His basement, I mean, is filled with STI parts. It was amazing. I mean, he had shelves just full. It was crazy. But I grabbed something from him. And I'm gonna go show you what I got from. Ran into Josh's car. Sorry, Josh. It was just my arm. Anyways, I'm gonna show you what I got from him. WRX harness, the full thing. Got it all. So we can start swapping it once I still gotta get the heater core out of there and a few other things, and then I can rip this engine out. Turns out this is a lot harder of a job than I thought. I talked to Max, the guy that has like Subaru Heaven in his basement. He's done the RS to WRX swap. You gotta remove fenders, bumpers, and take out the entire harness that comes around here. It's a lot of work, but it'll be worth it. So I got a lot of work ahead of me, but I had to move the Subaru back some. We just pushed it to get to this engine, and I ran over the ECU. It's the old one. It just damaged the casing. I took it off, checked all the components, but I'm not going to use it anyway, so no worries. Got my USDM WRX ECU up there, but I have a JDM ECU coming with the engine, so don't even need it. But I got it at the junkyard for like $10, so no worries. So Josh has started working on it. He's got a few things removed down in there, but we haven't done a whole lot, unfortunately. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it good for the night. Tomorrow is Sunday, and then Monday I don't work, so I'm not gonna end this video officially quite yet, because I may do some more stuff. Probably not tomorrow. I got some family Christmas going to, but definitely Monday morning we'll probably do some more car stuff. So see you guys in a few seconds. Okay guys, so my aunt and uncle own a junkyard, and for years, and then now they sold everything, and they were getting ready to take this car to the scrapyard, so I couldn't let it go to the scrapyard, so I had to buy it. And it's in front of me right now on the tow truck. My buddy went and picked it up for me, so I'm gonna show you real quick. Okay, hey guys, I just left Andrews. We got the car dropped off at his place. Gonna start working on it in a couple weeks. I'll be out of town for work all next week, so there won't be a new video from me probably for 2 weeks or so. I don't know what the plans are on the car. I'm not a huge old car fan. I like more modern imports, but it was too cool of a car to let go to the scrapyard, and it's too cool of a car to let sit. I gotta do something with it. It's pretty solid, a little bit of surface rust on the body. Gonna get it all sanded down, repainted, and then I'm gonna go from there, see what happens. I got a engine sitting around that I might try to get it put in there. Maybe I got a built Ford 5.0, and I also have a Subaru RS engine that I could throw in there, maybe make custom modification. We'll see what happens. I'm sorry to get any footage of the car, but definitely gonna head back over to Andrews as soon as I get the chance. It might be a week or two. I'm gonna be gone, so I'm definitely gonna head over there as soon as possible though, and get you guys some footage of the inside and the outside. It's been sitting for a long time, so the inside's not in the greatest shape, but we're gonna make it work. What's up guys, it is Christmas Eve. I'm gonna end this video, get the video uploaded, and probably won't be on tomorrow, but hopefully it will be on by the end of the week. I'm gonna spend Christmas with some family. I don't want to worry about getting the video uploaded right away. I got to do some editing, you know. Sorry if you can't hear me. I got my heater on. It's cold as crap. I put the tarp up. I redid the weather stripping on the first door. I haven't got these two yet, so the wind just blows right in the sides of the door. So I threw the tarp up. It's probably for the winter. Keep it a little warmer in here. It actually is helping quite a bit. Got the tree off the Subaru. Got this new Subaru sweater. Got another sweater. Subaru sweater. I got a bunch of Subaru stuff. Got my bike rack for the roof rack. And I also got a new bike, which I'm excited about. I got that put together over there. I'm leaving for work on Wednesday morning about 5 a.m. I won't be back until after the 1st of the year. So unfortunately I will not have any more videos uploaded until I get back and get some time to make something. So I'm done for the next couple weeks. I won't be working on the car. I might do a little bit tonight, but honestly probably won't. I'm gonna clean up the garage here a little bit more, get it all prepared for me to be gone. And unfortunately I really want to get this swap finished. I got so much to do. I haven't even touched the harness in a while. It's, Christmas has been real busy. I just want to get this harness finished before the new engine gets in, and so I can get that installed. I still got to do the cradle. I got a lot to do. But so unfortunately won't get any footage from me. Hopefully Alex will get some videos uploaded here soon. He's been busy, hasn't had time to do anything, and I'm hoping when I come back the weekend right after that, me and my friends are gonna do some car stuff. We're probably gonna definitely start working on the Evo. I'm gonna get the harness is coming out that weekend. I want it out that weekend. I was hoping to get done by the end of this weekend, but Christmas I got too busy, so the harness needs to come out the weekend of the 5th and 6th. Because I was hoping to pick up the engine cradle that weekend. I have drill the following weekend, so it's got to be that weekend. I got to get it done. The engine D16 is gone. Almost all my Civic parts are gone. I have a few things he left. He's got to come back for V16 cams and stuff, and then the hood he's got to come back for. It's over there. But I pulled out the transmission that was stuck in that corner. Gave that to him. That's the transmission for Alex's Eclipse. One of his Eclipse he's had a long time ago. So I need to get rid of that. I might just take it to the scrapyard with the rest of that scrap. And anyways, okay guys, I'm ending this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been working really hard on getting better content, more enjoyable content. I've been working really hard on my editing skills and my just talking to the camera skills. I'm not good at this stuff. I started this to get better at this, and I feel like I've improved a lot from starting. The other day I started from my first video and watched them all, and I feel like I have improved quite a bit. I have a little bit of a stutter, so I stutter over my words a lot, but hopefully you guys have noticed a difference, my whole 4 viewers. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know you guys are watching them and what you like and don't like about the videos. Hopefully Alex will get you guys a video here soon. I'm going to bug him about it. And Alex, if you watch this, I'm going to bug you about it. Anyways, peace out. See you next time.